Welcome back to my channel, Free to Bloom with Risa. It's so great to have you click on this video to see yet another grocery haul. Now, this is going to be from HEB. For those of you that are not from Texas, it's another grocery store here in Texas that is pretty popular. And so it's one of my favorite places to get groceries. I like all the products they have to offer for the most part. And but I'm sure a lot of you are curious about the prices. So I want to go ahead and share that with you, and let's just hop into this video. Also, before I forget, if you really like this video, please subscribe. If you really like it, go ahead and hit the like button as well. So that way I know to keep giving you these kind of videos. If not, I can change things up with this channel. But I think a lot of you really do enjoy these types of videos. And I'm also going to include individual prices this week as well. So you will get that scoop too. Okay, so we're gonna start right over here with the pizza. This is Montelli organic roasted vegetable pizza, spinach, red and yellow peppers with broccoli and zucchini, and this costs $6.28. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know that the price of this has increased. Actually, everything here has increased, so it's no surprise, but this is $6.28. Also, I got some chicken right here. Now this is rotisserie chicken. It's just the original type. I'm gonna make some chicken and bacon carbonara tonight, and so I thought this would be a quick meal for me to shred it really quick. I can also use this to make chicken salad as well because I have plenty of celery and green onions and all that good stuff. So this costs $6.99. I picked up this grass-fed and finished ground beef this time. This right here was actually, this is increased as well. This was $6.99 each. I did pick up two. As you can see here, I did pick up two. They're not usually that much, but because of inflation right now, it is about $1 more than what it usually is. And both of these together cost $13.98. Thankfully, me being a single person, I don't need to eat ground beef every single week or multiple times a week. So one of these will be definitely placed in the freezer to save and move on and follow through for next week. I also got these romaine hearts. Now this is the HEB romaine hearts. I like to chop these up. These are 22 ounces. And so that actually cost $3.48. I picked up Serroma tomatoes. I only have two in here, and those were 64 cents per pound. So because I only got two, there were only 56 cents is how much I paid for it. Now I'm just trying to go according to the order of my receipt today, just to make things a little easier. So you're gonna kind of see me go back and forth. I apologize if you don't like that kind of video. Feel free to stick around so you can get some ideas of prices here in Texas if you want to. Over here, I have this Purified drinking water. Now this is $2.98. So 24 bottles cost $2.98. I also picked up this fettuccine right here, and the fettuccine noodles cost $1. Now I don't usually do a lot of pasta because it's a lot of carbs, but like I mentioned before, I am making some chicken carbonara, so I thought, why not pick that up while I see it? I picked up this multi-fit probiotic. Now this right here is blueberry and cashews right here. Let me tell you what's inside of it. So inside of it, it has yogurt flavored cranberries with probiotic, almonds, cashews, soybeans, glazed multi-grain squares, dried sweetened blueberries, 9 ounces. I never used this before, and since it's a probiotic, I'm not gonna eat this at work, if you know what I mean. I don't think that's a good idea. So this is something that I'll have here at my home, and this costs $3.98. Moving on back over here, I have drinking purifying water. This used to be, y'all, like less than $1 to pay for drinking water that was just for a gallon. If you see my old videos, you can attest to that. This right here, 1 gallon costs at HEB $1.08. I got 2, as you can see, and so that actually cost $2.16. I forgot to mention that I'm also doing preps. And so some of these items I don't typically buy, I went ahead and bought just in case an emergency happens, something occurs in our country where we're not able to go to stores like we can or whatever. So this right here is part of my prep pile. This is all gratin potatoes. It says it's made with 100% russet potatoes and real cheddar cheese. I'll just let you be the judge of that. And that right there cost 94 cents. So this costs 94 cents. I also picked up some Triscuit Thin Crisp. This is original right here. This is 7.1 ounces, 130 calories per 15 crackers. And those Triscuits, they were expensive. They cost $2.64. I could not find my favorite like whole wheat crackers. And I don't do carbs like that a whole lot. So I didn't know they discontinued or they're out. I wasn't sure, but this is what I decided to go ahead and grab instead. So we will see how they taste, if it's to my liking. I also picked up these bacon bits, this real crumble bacon bits. You can add this to anything. To make things quick and fast for me, I'm just adding this to my dinner for tonight, my chicken carbonara. So this is something easy. I don't have to worry about cooking bacon. It was only $1 and some change. Let me give you the exact price. This was $1.37. So that costs $1.37. And I'm just sliding things over. If y'all like the way I'm doing this today, I will try to keep doing it this way. I also got some HEB chicken breast. This has 2 cans. Each can is 10 ounces. And this is just something quick I can do with chicken salads if I want to, or anything quick for lunch for work. And this was $5.88. So this costs $5.88. I also picked up some Dijon Mustard. This right here cost 94 cents. I was trying to make chicken salad last week, sorry. Or no, it was this week. And I didn't have any, and I thought I did. So I picked that up. Oh, I'm sorry. That was 92 cents, not 94 cents. I also got some Febreze. Let's go over here. I picked up some Febreze Small Spaces Linen. I'm a big, huge smell person. I can't stand bad smells, so I always like to make sure my home smells really, really good. There's 2 of these in here, and it's linen and sky, and it smells pretty fresh, but since it is a name brand product, it cost me $4.94. Switching back over here, I did get some green beans. This is a cut green beans, no salt added, 14.5 ounces. Now this right here costs 74 cents. I also picked up these pineapple chunks. This has gone up. It used to be like 94 cents, but today I paid $1.28. $1.28 for that can right there. And then I wanted to, for my Asian meals, I wanted to get some sesame seeds. So I've never bought sesame seeds before, and it's been kind of hard for me to find, honestly. I went to Kroger last week. I was not successful in finding it, but I did find it at, of course, HEB. They didn't disappoint. So I got some sesame seeds that I'm going to add to an Asian dish I want to do this week, and it costs $1.99. I picked up some taco seasoning. As you know, it's good to just keep things like this on hand unless you like to make your own. It's just easy and quick and convenient for me, for a busy career woman. And so I got that, and that cost 37 cents. I think that went up like 2 cents. I think it used to be like 35 cents, but it was 37 cents. And then I got some fabric sheets. It smells so good. I can smell it right now. This right here was Spring Fresh Fabric Softener Sheets. I know some people were like, those don't work. Well, I think they work as far as smell. Softening, I'm not sure, maybe. But there's 80 sheets in here, and those 80 sheets cost me $1.94. Sorry, gentlemen, but ladies, you know we need things like this, whether you use tampons or pads. I use pads, and these always thin pads did cost more. Comment below if you notice that too, of how expensive these are becoming now. They used to be like $5 and some change, then it changed to $6. Now it's $7, and I get the name brand that just works best for my body. This cost me $7.34. And then over here, speaking of increases, I got some eggs. It was 1 dozen. They're large, and they cost $2.14. It used to be under $2. I picked up some, sorry about the back and forth. I told y'all I was going to be like this. So y'all just be patient with me, unless this is entertaining. I don't know. Some Suave Milk and Honey body wash, and this was $1.88. And then I got this Colgate toothpaste. I do need to go to the dentist really soon, so I hope I'm doing still an excellent job with my teeth. This right here costs $1.98. I did need to pick, you know what? I didn't realize this was almost $3 until I just looked at the receipt. But I got some shaving cream for my legs and for shaving, and that cost $2.97. I thought, I don't know, it seemed like I used to pay less than that. That's why these videos are helpful. It just helps me kind of keep track of different items. And then I picked up these razors right here. There's 5 of them, and that cost 97 cents. So that is my grocery haul. I hope you guys stuck around and enjoyed seeing what I have purchased. I really hope that you guys stay encouraged and don't feel discouraged about prices. So like I was saying, I really hope you guys don't feel stressed, discouraged, whatever about these prices. I think I mentioned in a couple of videos like way back that, God is our provider and he gives us wisdom, right? And so do what you can to adjust your budgets to make sure your families are getting fed still well. Now, again, be wise and don't overspend. Don't spend things you don't really necessarily need. What really helps me week by week, and sometimes even every other week when I do shop sometimes, it just depends on the month, is having a list. Okay. Again, and let me tell y'all, I'm not an expert. I'm not a financial expert, nothing like that. You can look at my disclaimer, but I do want these videos like this to be very helpful for you. I do want to make sure that you are absolutely encouraged, and it just helps you kind of see, ways that you can provide for your family, or maybe you're looking for something new and I post something that I'm going to cook or make or use. You're like, oh, I never thought about it. Maybe I can try that too. But of course, use wisdom. Be wise. I use a shopping list. I like to shop around the perimeter of the store. Plus, it's healthier for you to shop around the perimeter of the store most of the time. And then I like to go dip into the aisles, but it just depends on what I pick up. Am I perfect with my grocery shopping? No. Do I shop when I'm hungry sometimes? Unfortunately, yes. When I don't really, I feel like I have a choice. But again, using my list, I wish I could show y'all what it looks like, but it's all scratched out. I got everything I needed on there. And so I really hope that you guys just see, and I want to share these prices with you, and I wanted you to kind of see how things are here in Texas. Y'all, excuse me, I'm super sweaty because I'm oily because it's 80 something degrees here in Texas, which I shouldn't complain because y'all know it can get triple digits in Texas as well. So, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was useful. Again, ask God for wisdom, ask him for his guidance and grace, and, ask for favor, for the right sale prices, things like that. You're going to be okay. You're going to be okay. I know they're rising on gas prices and everything else is going up, but we got to be careful in what we listen to, what we pay attention to. We got to be protective of our eye gates and ear gates, just be at peace. Okay. So anyways, I hope you have a great day. Stay blessed. And I will talk to you next. I'm tongue tied. I will talk to you in the next video.